I tried earning $9.47 every 30 seconds watching ads on this website for free. Did it work? Keep the video to the end. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my results with this website. I tried it, earning $9.47 every ad you watch on this website. So as we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now guys, one time as I was scrolling on my YouTube homepage, I landed on this video. I decided to watch it to the end since I love making money online, and I was so excited about earning $9.47 every 30 seconds watching ads. I kept watching this video to the end since I didn't want to make any mistake. I wanted to do it as he instructed in the video. So I went on and I created an account on this website called swagbucks.com. I created an account and I tried to follow everything he shared in the video. Since I didn't skip any single step in the video, I followed everything he instructed. But to be honest guys, after using this website for some good days, here are my results. You can't earn $9.47 every 30 seconds watching ads on this website. Actually, he said every ad you watch on this website, you earn $9.47, which is not true. You earn a very small amount of money, a very small amount of money on this website watching ads. Actually, it even takes you long to withdraw this money since you earn very little amount of money, and you have to do referral on this website. I tried inviting my friends on this website, but still I earned a very small amount of money on this website, and up to now I've failed to withdraw this money to my PayPal account. So guys, you can't earn $9.47 every ad you watch on this video because it even takes you long to get those ads. Those ads are not available every time you want to watch them to earn. So such websites, maybe they work for those guys who share these videos, because for me, no matter how much I try, to be honest, the amount of money you can earn is very little. So every time you find such videos, I know you're so curious about them and you would like to try them, but to be honest, this one, it doesn't work the way he said. I didn't say it doesn't work, but I mean it doesn't work the way he instructed in the video. So guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next video.